Today we'll be taking a look at the latest edition of the CRP pedal set made by Moser Racing. These pedals have a high quality build and are positioned at the top of Moser's pedal lineup. The pedals are well packaged, and in the box we have the user manual with the information on setup and adjustments. There's a solid metal base plate for mounting the pedals and a separate metal heel stop plate. All the pedals come neatly packaged individually in bags, and these contain the clutch pedal, the throttle pedal and the brake pedal. The pedals have a solid build quality, and these are CNC machined out of aluminium alloy with a black finish making them look good. Also included is a box of accessories with tools, springs and rubber dampers, and there's a bag of bolts for installing the pedals onto the metal base plate. There's a USB cable for direct connection to a PC, and the cable for directly connecting to a compatible Moser wheelbase. Taking a closer look at the pedals, the throttle has a large pedal face with a single spring design, and the pedal has a smooth linear feel to it with plenty of travel for modulation. There's a Hall sensor located on the side for accurate input, and this plugs into the control box. The clutch has a clever design giving the progressive feel of pushing a car's clutch pedal and helping simulate the pressure plate spring feel. This also has a Hall sensor located at the side for measuring the input. The brake pedal has a load cell sensor at the back and a Hall sensor to accurately measure the braking force. The brake pedal has a combination of a spring and rubber damper to give a solid pedal feel. The brake pedal feel can be customised with springs and rubber dampers that are included in the package. These give you the ability to change the resistance between soft, medium or hard, allowing you to adjust the pedal feel to your preference. Located on the brake pedal we have the control box, which has the connection port for the clutch and throttle pedals, along with a USB connection for standalone use on a PC and a connection port for directly connecting to a compatible Moser wheelbase. There's a range of adjustability on the three pedals, and the pedal face has an adjustment which allows you to pivot and adjust the angle of the pedal plate. This is completed by loosening the screw and nut, then making the adjustments and retightening. On the throttle pedal, adjustments to the pedal force and travel length are changed by turning the nut on the upper part of the spring. The brake pedal comes installed with a medium yellow spring from the factory. There are additional springs and dampers included for the brake pedal, allowing you to change between soft, medium and hard settings. To create your preferred pedal feel, swapping out the spring is easy. Just remove the pin from the pedal arm by unscrewing the bolts. Then unscrew the spring assembly from the pedal base. Remove the bolt at the bottom of the assembly and take out the spring. Select the spring and reinstall. And when reinstalling, there are two plastic washers that need to be put back into place before pushing through the pin. The rear damper in the front of the load cell can also be changed out to further customise the pedal feel. To change out the rubber damper, remove the screws on the side and take out the pressure sensor fixing plate. This gives access to the rubber damper. Then this is swapped out with either soft, medium or hard rubber. Then all the parts are reinstalled to complete the process. Each pedal has side mounting points with holes towards the front and a set of slotted holes towards the back. This allows the pedals to be bolted directly to a rig or to the included heel plate, giving you plenty of mounting options. Setting up the pedals is easy. The included bottom heel plate is used for installing the pedals. Pedals can be set up for formula racing with just 2 pedals, or built up with 3 pedals to complete the set. Pedals are simply bolted onto the metal base plate with the included screws. With the pedals attached, the clutch and throttle cables are plugged into the control box found on the brake pedal. The front heel stop plate is attached with 2 bolts, and this has 3 positions to where it can be mounted. For mounting onto a rig, there are holes that can be accessed from the inside, along with some threaded holes if you need direct mounting from the underside. The pedal set is bolted directly to the aluminium profile and is secured using T-nuts and 4 of the included bolts. There are 2 methods for connecting the pedals to a PC. There's a USB port or the base port, both of which are found on the control box. From here we can either connect the pedals with a USB cable for standalone use, or connect the included RJ cable to the base port for direct connection to a compatible Moser wheelbase. Plugging into a base is great, as it saves USB ports on a PC. The connected pedals are controlled on a PC via the user-friendly Pithouse software. In the software, it's quick and easy to set the minimum and maximum travel for each pedal. And for further tuning, all 3 pedals are able to have the output curves adjusted to create a custom pedal profile. While driving, the pedals feel smooth underfoot and easy to control the car with accurate inputs and good modulation. There's good resistance on the brake pedal, and out of the box it's set up with a medium spring, giving a firm feel. The Hall sensors are giving precise input, and the load cell on the brake pedal gives you accurate and consistent braking performance. The CRP pedals have a solid build and professional look and feel to them. There's plenty of adjustments to set up and to configure the pedals to your preference, allowing you to drive quickly.